We're here at GE Appliances taking a look at the kitchen hub. This is a smart screen that has Z-Wave and Zigbee built in. It's 29 inches and it works as a fully integrated way of controlling all your devices in the home. But it's also in an interesting location. You'll see that it is right above your stove. And so it also works as a ventilation system. So you still get the fan that you would need for your stove. This appliance works with a voice assistant named Geneva, but Geneva communicates via Alexa and Google Assistant. So if you have your home connected to Amazon Alexa, you can say, hey Alexa, tell Geneva to warm up the oven or preheat the oven, if of course you have a connected oven or some similar device that you can connect with. Not only is the screen awesome, which we'll talk about in a second, it has a camera underneath the device here where you can actually do things like potentially take interactive cooking lessons or call grandma and say, hey grandma, I'm making your lasagna, but I don't know if I'm doing it right. Can you take a look at my camera and see, and they can actually see what you're doing on the stove. So it's pretty cool. But other than all of that, you'll see that it has a lot of other things built in. If you go to the home screen, this is a demo unit, by the way, so we don't have the full functionality, but you can listen to music on it, watch movies if you'd like, get recipes, which they're preloaded with all kinds of recipes, not just videos, but also the recipe list and what you can do. You can also do things like video chat via Google Duo. And also there's a few other really great unique things about this device. It's 27 inches. It'll be available in the fall for $600.